Hey, what is going on, guys? Donovan here. So this is a 2013 Charger SXT. This is mom's car, and basically we're having some issues where when you put the car in reverse, the backup camera was artifacting lock, wasn't working properly. It was a different issue every time you put it into reverse. So sometimes it would work. Most of the time it would either flicker black and white, which I have footage of and I'll put on the screen now, or sometimes it would be black and white and there would be no lines, and then the video wouldn't be mirrored. So when you turned one direction, it actually flipped and turned to the other direction in the camera. It's hard to explain, but it's a simple fix. So the dealer wanted 170 bucks plus parts just to diagnose and fix it. So that 170 was literally just for diagnosis, and then who knows what they were going to charge for the part. So I actually went on Amazon. This is the old camera here, the part on Amazon for just a replacement camera, which is in there now. And they actually, to my surprise, sent me an OEM one. You can actually see the Mopar thing there. You literally just pull this little trunk liner off. There are two bolts, one on each side, that secure the actual like whole tail light into the trunk. You pull that out, and then there are an additional two bolts that it's kind of hard to see, hold the camera on, and you just pull those off, slip the new camera in, and that's pretty much it. Just make sure you undo these like electrical wires when you do it. So this is the actual wire for the camera here, and there are some tail light wires, and then like the trunk wire and stuff. So basically, to prove to you guys that it works, I'll go ahead and close this, get in the car, start it up. When you throw it in reverse, camera works as normal. And this is the second time I've tried this, and so that's how I know things are functioning. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys found this helpful. Just make sure to get it straight. It looks like I actually need to straighten it out a little bit. It looks like it's a little bit off here, hence the body line kind of moving diagonally across the screen. So I'll adjust that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.